To buy stocks for beginners using Webull. Start by understanding the basics of the stock market and the Webull platform. Webull is a commission-free online brokerage firm that allows users to buy and sell stocks, options, and other securities. First, download and install the Webull app on your mobile device or access the platform through the website. Create an account by providing the required personal and financial information. Webull will then verify your identity and approve your account. Once your account is approved, link your bank account to Webull to deposit funds. This can be done by providing your bank account and routing numbers. Webull may also offer a temporary trading limit to get you started. Next, research and choose the stocks you want to buy. Webull provides a variety of tools and resources to help you make informed investment decisions, including real-time market data, news, and analysis. You can browse through the app to find stocks by name, symbol, or industry. After selecting the stocks you want to buy, navigate to the order page and enter the number of shares you want to purchase. You can also set a limit order to buy the stock at a specific price or use a market order to buy at the current market price. Review your order carefully to ensure everything is correct, including the stock symbol, number of shares, and order type. Then, submit your order and wait for it to be executed. Webull will provide you with a confirmation once your order is filled. It is essential to have a clear understanding of the risks involved in buying stocks and to never invest more than you can afford to lose. Start with a small investment and gradually increase your portfolio as you become more comfortable with the platform and the market. Webull also offers a paper trading feature that allows you to practice buying and selling stocks with virtual money. This is an excellent way for beginners to get familiar with the platform and the stock market without risking real money. By following these steps and using the resources available on Webull, you can start buying stocks and building your investment portfolio. Remember to always do your research, set clear goals, and never invest without a clear understanding of the risks involved.